Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks, and somebody posted this on Facebook. They bought it. It's a doodle, and they want to know how they can fill it in. I mean, it's a not a very good file. It's a PNG. And, let me just look at it. It's got a white background, and it's got we got some problems, but they can be fixed. I mean, it's like somebody drew it with a marker. I'm not doubting that. So anyway, go to trace. You don't have to do anything to it. It's black and white. Just trace it. Outline, trace, clip art. And it comes out like that. Now normally your traced item is going to be on top. So let's just get rid of our doodle. And this is all grouped together. So go to object, group, and ungroup it. And when you do that, you can make a boundary. So this thing's 3 inches. Our nudge factor will sit on 4. We'll select it all because now it's ungrouped. We'll make a boundary. We'll move it over. It's got some problems, but it can be fixed. Get your shape tool and just delete a few nodes, in the line. And it's a doodle, so it might not want to be perfect anyway. Then if you have X7 or above, you can use the smoothing tool and make sure you click on it and you see smooth it out a little bit. And then regardless of what you do to it, now it's a curve, and just go to your color and right click your mouse. And if that doesn't work or you want to try something else, use the Smart Fill tool. And then if you want that outline to be thicker, double click on the pin outline. See, it has no width, it has no color. Make it black. Make it something other than a hairline. Let's make it a little bit more pronounced. And there you have a pretty cool, whatever it is. I mean, I would straighten up that corner, and you can do that with the smoothing tool real easily. And you see I'm smoothing the fill and not the outline. So just get rid of that. Take your smoothing tool and just kind of smooth out those rough parts, especially on the edges, and do anything you want to with it. I hope that helped them a little bit, and thank you for watching.